good evening. There's a switchblade, 445 up North Mississippi Way.
T-Right, right on, Crown Prince. Hello, 455. Yeah, Crown Prince, we go way back. You're right, Cadillac. Long time, friend. We go way back, like a 1972 Cadillac. Ain't no doubt about that. We go down at the same time. Ain't no doubt in my mind. Like 4 flat tires. Take care of you later. A Crown Prince in the Great Lakes of Michigan. Hello to you, 455 up north. Switchblade, Wolflake, what's up?
I just heard you in there. We just want to shout at you. Sounded good up there around Grenada, Mississippi tonight. I'm sorry about that, squeal. Hey, Switchblade, Wolflake, 445, Radio Man. We black out.
Boy, how you been? Hey, Radio Man, how you been? Ain't no station around Grenada. Man, I can pass through Grenada, man, it's like a ghost town. Nobody key down. Hey, Radio Man, how you and the family doing, Breaker?
Oh, we doing fine there, Switchblade? Yeah, we just moved up here, man. We just moved up here, we ain't been up here long. Hey, we've been hanging out on Channel 8, talking to them folks down in Greenwood and around hereabouts, Central.
Yeah, that's my brother. That's my brother in Greenwood. That's my brother, 000. 000 is my brother. Hey, Radio Man, brother.
I heard that. Well, hey, I can kind of imagine that. He's a hoot and a holler, Tempo.
Oh, yeah, he's something else. I love him to death, man. I catch a breath with that cat, nigga, but boy, he's a piece of work. But man, look here. On a serious note, God bless you and the family. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Radio Man, nice talking to you. Bye-bye.
All right, there, Switchblade, Wolflake. We just want to jump in there and say hello. I don't know if you know Silver Eagle up here north. I'm